probably from where that crack is, right on the edge. You go all the way down, see how it's it's kind of coming off on that. And then, yeah.
There's cracks in the master bedroom. Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing, just a little rusty vent, but other than that. Call and, yeah, no.
But that was 2 years back. Now it is after.
I think
I'm trying to bring more plants and that kind of.
This is
So,
for
I'm not
the
really an
kitchen.
outside plant person, but I'm trying. I have a good friend, and so she's motivating me to get plants outside. I just don't want to plant because it's hard. The ground is hard.
Trying to create a peaceful environment in our
Yeah.
home, really. I mean,
And then
that's
it's
what-
good to do like nature things for your health.
yeah.
So I have sweet peas, so I'm hoping that I love sweet
Once
peas.
it's painted, it'll be fun.
Yeah. Water is leaking and then it is, I think,
And
getting
I
safe.
never, I haven't seen it like
Takes
wet.
all particles off, and then they paint it, and then they put, if you want.
Mexican heather, and they come back every year. They die in the freeze,
She
and
was
they
a little
come back
persistent. She
every
didn't
year.
want it anymore, and I said, oh, thank you. Cute. So you guys have this already? Separated
Yeah,
here?
this side and up to
Yeah.
there.
Mhm, and then over
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Let me again take a new one. Earlier I taken, yes. Video.
I remember we looked at the
Yeah, we
cement
did.
over on the other side.
I haven't
over
seen
there,
this
running
before.
Away from the house.
It looks like it's coming off. Yeah, that's new.
Yes, yeah, that is inside. Cement is coming out, yeah.
You might want to consider having the house.
Yeah,
it's
2 years
gotten
back
worse,
it
though.
was there.
Yeah.
I'm glad it's still foggy like it was really Friday night. It was like this, and my friend and I went to Lowe's to get gardening things for the stuff that I was doing in the back. And we were walking around, we were outside the garden center, and we came around, and it was just like, oh my
We
God.
need to do that. I think so. Okay, I think we need to do a lot of. I don't know how much.
There's nothing
There's nothing in here.
no, we can put over here.
Yeah, there's a
Well,
little bit
yeah.
crack on
Oh,
that.
well, yeah. I guess I got used to seeing it.
Yeah, they have some stuff that we can put in that will, but water doesn't really get in it in the garage. It's in the driveway.
Sasha, you might want me to have my,
It needs to be done, that's all I know.
But
They're not doing very well.
I don't want to do really well. All the purple growth is in growth.
So yeah, more can be planted in here, but
you have to take care. Lot of work.
I just want to make sure that it will grow because of the way there's a lot of shade. There's not a lot of sun. The sun hits here. I don't remember seeing that crack. Actually, I don't remember seeing that crack up there. When it's cold, I don't come out here.